Senior officials from the Ministry of Mines and heads of leading public sector mining companies met in Siliguri to review discussions on the National Critical Minerals Mission, aimed at strengthening India's self-reliance in key mineral resources. NMDC has been recognized with an industry award acknowledging its commitment to excellence, innovation, and operational efficiency, underscoring the company's role in advancing modern mining and industrial practices. The inaugural meeting of the India-Algeria Joint Commission on Defence Cooperation was held in New Delhi on May 5, 2026, marking a significant step forward in strengthening strategic ties between India and Algeria. Reaffirming its commitment to community development and women empowerment, NTPC Limited Kutji has inaugurated the Girl Empowerment Mission 2026 under its corporate social responsibility initiatives. Coal India Limited has brought global recognition to India by securing the overall championship at the International Mine Rescue Competition 2026 held in Zambia. The company's mine rescue team delivered an outstanding performance against international competitors, showcasing exceptional skills, preparedness, and commitment to mine safety. Central Bank of India has strengthened its retail banking network with the inauguration of a new branch in Borkheda, located in Rajasthan's Kota district. The branch was officially inaugurated by Anil Kumar, Zonal Head Jaipur, and Gaurav Tyagi, Regional Head Kota. NMDC Limited has announced a revision in its iron ore prices effective from 6th of May 2026 as per its regulatory filing under Regulation 30 of SEBI LODR Regulations 2015. NMDC has fixed the following prices effective 6th of May 2026. Bela lump 65.5% 10 to 40 mm 5,500 rupees per ton. Bela fines 64% minus 10 mm 4,700 rupees per ton. Union Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved 3 major multi-tracking railway projects under the Ministry of Railways, aiming to significantly expand capacity, improve efficiency, and strengthen freight movement across key corridors in India. Government of India has approved the development of a state-of-the-art ship repair facility at Vadinar in Gujarat. The project marks a significant expansion of India's maritime infrastructure and aims to reduce dependence on foreign shipyards for large vessel repairs. Ministry of Railways has issued a series of official orders approving deputation of senior Indian Railway officers to the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited, strengthening India's freight corridor management and operations network.